as reported by the Daily News.
Our dad was our best friend. Our entire life, he was the best dad we could have ever had.
That is how Timothy McNamara's children will always remember him. A loving father and grandfather, and a hard-working Grant County farmer.
The guy was amazing. He was nonstop.
The patriarch of the family, who they believe was brutally murdered on December 25th, 2014.
The number one thing is you want justice for what happened to your dad. There's no doubt about it.
But Jennifer Ralston and Caleb McNamara know justice in this case is complicated. And to understand why, we have to go back to July of 2012, when they say their cousin, a woman named Tracy Shannon Nessel, began a romantic relationship with their recently divorced father, her own uncle, who was 22 years her senior.
It was hard to know what to do.
Definitely a shock factor.
Soon, the unlikely couple had moved from Soap Lake, Washington to Belize, where they bought this piece of property and opened up a bed and breakfast. Details outlined in a civil murder suit Jennifer and Caleb filed this week against Tracy. The siblings claim their cousin seduced, manipulated, and deceived their dad for the sole purpose of financial gain. They say 44-year-old Tracy had Timothy McNamara put multiple properties and life insurance policies in her name and then allegedly shot him in the back of the head last Christmas Day in Belize.
You don't shoot yourself in the back of the head. It's borderline impossible to.
Authorities in Belize initially thought Timothy's death was a suicide, but a few months later, the investigation revealed foul play, and an Interpol warrant was issued for the arrest of Tracy Nessel.
The evidence is all there. It's all there.
The problem is that by then, Nessel was back in Grant County, living on the McNamara family farm she now owns. Law enforcement in the U.S. doesn't have jurisdiction to take her into custody, and extradition to Belize won't be easy or quick.
Like, this is insane. You know, this is absolutely insane.
And so, Seattle attorney Karen Kohler says a civil murder lawsuit right now is Jennifer and Caleb's best option.
By any means that we can, we need to have justice done.
And what's left of this broken family says their dad taught them, never give up.
This is just wrong.
World Literacy Day is being celebrated in Belize under the theme, Read to a Child Today, Read to a Child Every Day. This morning, schools from Belize City as well as organizations